In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a professional account on Instagram. Transitioning to a professional account can be a powerful step in enhancing your online presence, whether you're looking to build your brand as a creator or grow a business. The process itself is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. So, let's dive in and take a closer look at how to make this happen. First things first, you need to log in to your Instagram account. Make sure you're using the account you want to upgrade because switching accounts later can sometimes get confusing. Once you're logged in, look towards the bottom of your screen. You should see a More button. When you tap on it, it will open additional options in a sidebar. From this new menu, look for and tap on Settings. This is where all the magic begins. Inside the Settings menu, navigate to a section titled For Professionals. This is the gateway to accessing various tools and controls that Instagram offers to professional account holders. A sub-option will appear, labeled Creator Tools and Controls. Selecting this will guide you to the next crucial step. At this stage, you're ready to take the leap to a professional account. On your screen, you'll find an option that says, Switch to Professional Account. Go ahead and tap it. Now, Instagram will ask you to choose between two types of professional accounts, creator and business. If you're an artist, influencer, or public figure, the creator account might be your best bet. Alternatively, if you're representing a brand or organization, consider selecting the business account. Choose the one that best aligns with your goals and proceed. Once you've picked your account type, you'll be prompted to select a category that best describes your work or your business. Take a moment to find the category that accurately highlights your niche and decide whether you want this category to be visible on your profile or not. This is a personal choice that can affect how your profile appears to visitors. Finally, follow the remaining prompts. Instagram will guide you through completing your professional account setup. This might involve adding contact information or connecting to a Facebook page, which can help in sharing posts and widening your outreach. And there you have it. You're now equipped with a professional Instagram account. This unlocks features like analytics, contact options, and additional ways to engage with your audience and grow your presence on the platform. Remember, making the most of these tools can take some time and experimentation, so don't hesitate to explore and adapt them to fit your unique needs. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.